So hello, hi, this is SibanMarndi. Welcome back to my channel Local English. So guys, as you can see, now I am getting ready to go one of the best place and one of the beautiful place, but I don't want to share right now. So you have to stay connected with my channel, then you can know the place where I am going to. And this time I'm going to pack all these my clothes in my bag. And so guys, let's move. Let's move. So friends, right now I have to wear the shoes, then we will move to the location. Guys, you will be wonderful after seeing that location. Definitely that location is fantastic location. Here I am going to right now. So okay, so now I close the gate. My brother will ride the bike and I will sit in the back of the bike. Guys, what the place, definitely you cannot imagine the place. Definitely that place is really so wonderful. So let's go. The road, you can see it is so bumpy as well as overlooked water everywhere. It is so bad thing, guys. Now we are getting down on the national highway. The place, the location is near about 15 kilometers from here. So guys, you have to stay connected with this video so that you will not miss out the wonderful things. So let's go. Now we are on the way to that location. This location is secret. I will share you after going there. Till then you have to wait. Okay, you just enjoy the street. Here one of the beautiful place is I Love Baripada, also known as Selfie Point. Nearby it there is a beautiful park. If I would say about this, most of the time most of people comes to take selfie as well as take photos and make reels. It happens sometimes like this over here. Friend, look how beautiful the scenery is. Everywhere painting on the wall. This is the actually stadium. Actually the stadium is inside. If you want to see, you have to go inside. Here you can see one more nice place. Over here also happens same thing, to take selfies, photos as well as make reels like this. Many more activities, guys. Look at this place. The scenery is really so fantastic. They really so insane, guys. The location goes through this way. It means if you want to go that location where actually I am going to, so you have to cross the bazaar, the Baripada Bazaar. This is the name is actually God Bazaar. And over here, as you can see, this is the actual Marwan place. And now it is made for the college. See guys, now we are on the wet bridge. Now now we are on the bridge. This one is the new one and this one is the old one. In which bridge we are going. You see guys, the water is totally muddy. Totally muddy the water is. This is the actually big river of Mayurbhanj. Huge river of Mayurbhanj. Guys, as you can see, we had to stop here because of, guys, as you can see how the raining is going on right now. It is raining so heavily, that's why we had to stop here. When the rain will stop, after that we will again start the journey. Okay, so what I will say, this is the actually good sign for the farmers who actually farms in their field. So for them definitely rain is so need, water is so need. That's why this is a good sign for the all farmers. Okay, so you just enjoy the, what I'll say, the rain, water. Okay. Friends, the location, the destination is so close from here. It means it is not far from here. I think it will take time more 10 minutes. So let's wait how long it is raining. So finally rain stopped and again we have to go to the place where the destination is. Instead of it is raining little, but we don't have to care. So moving forward, friends, as you can see, now again it is raining. However, we come out, again it is raining. See guys, how it is raining. It is raining so hardly, guys. Again we have to take shelter, I think. Friends, you can imagine what kind of situation going on right now. We are soaked in rain as well as our dress is totally wet. Still we are waiting. As far as possible we will wait. So let's see what happens. Friends, we totally got rain because of rain, guys. How it is raining, as you can see, it is raining so heavily. So what can I say in this moment? It is really so tough for me. The weather is so bad, really so bad, guys. We haven't reached destination yet now. We haven't reached. What can I say about it? So let's see what happens. Can we go or not? Right now it stopped raining and again we started moving forward to the location. So guys, in this moment it is really tough and difficult to go to the location. Instead of it we are going. So let's see. So finally we reached the location, the destination where actually I was telling very often. Can you guess the location? If you can, so please let me know in the comment box. If you cannot know the location, so I will tell you later. So stay connected with this video and go ahead. Friends, as you can see, this is our destination. Earlier I was telling most of the time the destination. This is our destination. Guys, in the rainy season most of the people come here and enjoy a lot. They actually come for burning as well as the enjoyment. If you want to come, you can also come. The name earlier I told, the name is actually the place. Name of the place is Baldia Dam. It looks nice, really. You can see over there. It is far from here. The mountain you can see, and over there also little mountain, and here also little mountain. Here also little mountain. Like the basically, it will say the location is really superb, really superb. It looks nice. The location is really so fantastic. Once you come, definitely you will enjoy a lot. No doubt, guys. I'll guarantee you. Once you come and you enjoy a lot. In the rainy season, in this moment, we come and already got rain. Instead of the raining, we just come here for you guys. So you enjoy the location, guys. Friends, in the monsoon season, most of the people come here for enjoyment. Over here, we also did same thing. We took bath as well as so many different kind of activity. So you just watch this video till the end. Definitely, you will enjoy a lot by watching this video. So guys, you just enjoy it.